Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to screen record in your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. So first you have to come over this Microsoft Store. We search for screen recorder and click on it. And here we will get a free screen recorder video over here. And then click on get. And by this it will download. So wait. So keep patience. So I think this Rackford screen recorder is much more easier to record and also it's free. So I think it will be better for your screen recording and a better performance at audio recording. So here you can see it's downloading. Just wait some of minutes. Now I will fast forward the video. It's only 7 MB. So I get you after download. So here you can see it's downloaded. Now click on open. So after clicking on open here, you can see Rec4 interface comes on. So I just want to record the full screen. That's why I click on full screen and click record. Okay. So here you can see the recording is started. I will record for 10 seconds just for showing you how it works. And now stop. And here you can see we recorded this. So here you can see it's we in this 10 seconds we are looking at that it's showing in the in our so it's showing in our display. So how you can remove it? We just remove it by minimizing it after starting record. So this is how you can screen record in your Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.